Hi, baby, we still at the car show, man. Gonna walk up on the West Coast. West Coast killer car. Snoop Dogg, Dr. Dre. Y'all see that? Sitting on them things. That baby got switches in here. Click the switches, baby. Do y'all see that? Rolling down the street. What are switches? I don't see no switches. Bumping in the Bug. My daddy used to have one of these. The engines in the back, the trunks in the front. Y'all see that, man? That is the McLaren. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right, man. I don't know what kind of car that is. I have got to get out more. You see what I'm saying? Just dealing with Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and stuff like that all the time. I don't know what else out there, man, so I'm gonna start getting out a lot more, y'all. They call that the McLaren. Let's take a look at this thing closely, all right? Check this out, man. Oh my freaking goodness. I don't know what's under the hood. They never let the hood up, so I don't know if it'll fly or not. I don't know if it'll get up and go. I have no clue how many cylinders under it. All I know is that it looks good. See that right there? Again, I have no clue. If somebody know anything about this monster, please comment in the comment section below. All I know is this baby looks good. That's all I can tell you. Now I can imagine it can get up and go, but they won't open the hood. They won't let the hood out. It even looks good inside, y'all. Woo. All right, this is another beauty here. I don't know what this is, but it looks nice there. Good Lord. Yeah, I've got to get out more, y'all. Your boy been hemmed up in the Dodge world for so long. Look at that one wiper blade. I should be ashamed of myself not knowing the name of these cars. I got a little nephew know more about these things than I do. Little Jay Mizzle. Shout out to Jay Mizzle, man. I got to him up today, but I represent for Jay Mizzle. Let's go this way, man. Look at this. What y'all think? This even got test drive on it. Will they let us actually test drive them? I don't think so, but look at it. Okay, that is nice. Two-seater. I actually got seats in the back. I don't know if we can get back there, but hey, whatever floats your boat. Another beauty. Good Lord. Sorry, y'all, but I am getting out more. I'm not really talking about the technical side, but I'm talking about car knowledge in general. I should definitely know more about these beauties than I do. Okay? Beautiful orange. What is this? I have no earthly idea. Look at the grill. Oh, Rolls Royce? Are you kidding me? If it wasn't for the name people, I never would have figured out. I never would have guessed this is a Rolls Royce. But look at this. Buddy's inside. I assume he ain't trying to fight his way through all this traffic to get out. That is a beauty. There go two more beauties though. Actually, three more beauties. We're going to catch them one by one, y'all. That wind is killing us, but I do not care. Give me some footage of these beauties. Look at that. I got to go to the back of this car to find out what the name of it is. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't really want Buddy's license plate on here, but he's obviously open to the public and don't mind. This is a freaking beauty. All right, I see two more over here, y'all. Let me go check these out, and then I'm gonna have to call it a day because they're getting ready to shut it down. Your boy missed his exit, so I got here late. Again, man, I don't see no names on this, so y'all, I can't inform you of what it is, but I can inform you how many cylinders this has. And ladies and gentlemen, according to that, it is a V10. V10. Good Lord, can they please pop the hood? I want to see this V10. Who knows what that is? Comment below, man. I have no idea. And this other last beauty over here. Oh, Oh, this is Lamborghini. I can see that. Oh my freaking! Look at that. Wow, what a freaking beauty. Boy, I'd like to take one of these on a drive down Highway 285 and just punch it. Lamborghini. Yeah, I assume they don't mind the license plate. You can't track these guys down no way. So I don't know what intentions the people have of seeing somebody's license plate, but they obviously don't mind because they let you come out here and film whatever you need to. Look at that. A Lamborghini. Alright, y'all, I gotta get into some of this stuff. Like I said, y'all, that is the Lamborghini, man. Can y'all vision your boy driving around in one of these? I had to give up my PT Cruiser, y'all. I had to let the PT Cruiser go just to get one of these. I don't know, I have to think about that, but let's go over here, man. Some more goodies over here, alright? Hey, this dude got a Christmas tree on his ride. Alright, let me turn this around, y'all, so we can, everybody winding down, man. 392. See, this is my thing right here. Man, I can tell you all about these, baby. In fact, I got on Mopar Performance. Yeah, I can tell you, these cats, I can imagine their hood was up earlier today, but they not so much. They winding down, so he'll go a whole line of Dodges, y'all. Let's go, this is challenging. That's the beauty too, man. Yeah, Mopar Performance, man. Y'all heard of All Par Garage, right? All Par Garage, man. That's the shop I work out of from time to time. Performance, Mopar Performance, basically specializing in Mopar Performance, all right? My buddy Jimmy Vong and Carlos Lopez. All right, the Dodgers are cranking up, baby. I don't know if they're gonna punch them, man. The police is out here. They line up one by one. That's a beauty there. Y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that? Wonder will he punch it? All right, man, I'm gonna keep walking through it. That's another one, man. Yeah, what I was saying, All Par Garage, man, y'all go check them out. If y'all got any of these Hemis, Hellcats, anything Mopar Performance related, just come by the shop, man. Give us a call first. Don't just pop up. Because, you know, there's a couple guys there doing the day, all day. I'm not there on a daily basis because, you know, I got to go to another spot during the day. But, yeah, stuff like this, man, this is what we specialize in. Dodge Mopar High Performance, all right? So, in fact, I'm repping one of their shirts right now, baby. Can y'all see that? All Par Garage, baby. Y'all come on out there. Or give us a call, like I say. The Viper, man. The Viper pretty much died down, but it still got some, matter of fact, it's still one of the top cars out there, so don't sleep on the Viper. All right, a few more issues. Let me get some more, a little bit more. What is this? They Jeeps, man. Some Jeeps over here, baby. Well, I see a Jeep. Nice little Wrangler. Okay, Wranglers need love too. Look at this guy right here, y'all. Wonder what's powering that thing. See, that's the stuff mechanics like to know. What's powering stuff? We don't just like to see things. We want to know what y'all put into it. What's under the hood? Alright? It's just like a mechanic just replacing parts in the blind. Nah, we don't roll like that. We like to know exactly. Now, I see a nice little engine over here. Let's see what this is all about. We got it on the stand in the truck looking good. I wonder what it come out of. I wonder what it's doing. I have no idea. I'm not gonna bother him and ask him, but I'm sure once they get it in, it's gonna be up to you. Alright. They got the training set up. Alright, what do we have here? See, this guy got his hood up, so he understand what the people want to see.
Like I'm getting my seat.
Yeah, that's the beauty, man. So, MJ Diesel Speed Shop. Alright. That is nice. Very nice. What else we have over here? Y'all about wrapping it up, man. Like I say, I messed around and showed up late. It's something my buddy Brandon would like. He like these little bitty, funny looking cars like this. He love this stuff, Brandon. In fact, he had one. His whole little engine went out. I'm sorry, Brandon.